back, guys. So today I would like to unbox this. This one is the new and latest BLUREEZE M8 Pro Ultra Whitening electric toothbrush. And with a 6-hour charge, it will last up to 6 months. And come with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. It has 8 brush heads and a travel case. Electric toothbrushes for adults. 4 modes with a smart timer. And this one is the red and blue color. So I'd like to give a shout out to Renee from their marketing team to sending me this and do the unboxing for you guys. So here are the features. It has 8 DuPont heads, lasts for 3 years. It has a 40,000 BPM high vibration for high efficiency cleaning, and it is IPX7 waterproof, easy carrying travel case included. It has a low noise and long motor life. So the 4 modes is clean, sensitivity, whiten, and massage. Anyway, be sure to check out the link that's going to show you within the description. So if you'd like to check this one out with a special coupon. Anyway, let's go and then unbox this. And here's the product description right here. So it is a factory seal with this shrink wrap. And this one's the M8 Pro. And here's the model. So it has a 2 minutes auto timing, 30-second interval. And it has a 3D bristle cutting process. So one toothbrush, it is good for 3 months. And this is made in China. Let's go and then open it up. Come with this user manual. And here's the button right here. Wow, nice. This is a travel case. And then there are air ventilation holes on the bottom of the case. Come with a rechargeable cable. And this is a USB Type-C. So you need to charge on the bottom of the toothbrush right here. Let's go ahead and see what's it look like. Charge it. You got the red battery icon right there, glowing. And here are the 8 toothbrush heads. So while it's charging, it's not going to allow you to work. So you need to unplug it. And be sure to put this back in correctly so you seal tight. Well, yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the link that's currently showing within the description so you can check out this item. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.